Okay, we're back, and this will be our last one for the lines. We've gone through pretty much all the command line options, and we've gone through all of the options in the drop down, except for one, and that will be the line through points, right? That's it is exactly what it is, line through points. So basically, you need points out there to manipulate, and what it does is let's grab some points here. We'll grab multiple points and we'll just start popping points out here. So we'll just start dropping points everywhere. And there you go. So you can select a bunch of points. It doesn't have to be that many, of course. And if you go to your drop down and pick line through points, it'll ask you to select the points or meshes to fit line through. You select all those points or the meshes that you want and then hit enter, and it will calculate a line going through the middle of all those points. And that's pretty much really all it is. I'm not quite sure it's really something we use a lot in jewelry designing, but there are other industries out there that would be using this quite a bit. But there are a lot of things. You can have point clouds, which is a total different thing. But that's kind of what it does. So let's go ahead and select that and get rid of it. And let's draw a couple more points, but not so many this time. So if there's maybe an object or something that you're wanting a line to go through, you can put the points on there. Maybe it's under a head or in the side of a ring or something. You can go ahead and kind of like calculate the points out where you want the line, and then go ahead and do your drop down. Pick your line through points and then select all your points and then hit enter, and there you go. There's your line through the middle of those points. So there can be times where it might be useful when you're trying to get into really close areas and it's hard to get that line to go through whatever you're looking for. So that's pretty much all that one is. Not used very often, but it's there for your usage if you need it. So now we'll move on to a different tab. I'm not sure which one yet, but we'll see you again shortly.